Hi friends, this video shows how to connect SSD storage to Google TV Streamer 4K device and transfer files. Here you can see I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see one white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to PD in port of this hub. Here you can see one black cable that is connected to this Samsung SSD storage. This is a setup. Then go to TV, select this apps tab, go down, open file manager app. Here I am using this explore file manager app. You can install this file manager app from App Store. Let me open this, and here you can see internal shared storage of this Google TV streamer, and here you can see no name 1 DB. This is this SSD storage. Select it. Now you are seeing files inside that SSD storage here on the left side. Go down, and here you can see one image. So this way we can open this SSD storage. Next I will show you how we can transfer files. First I am going to transfer one file from this SSD storage to internal storage of this Google TV streamer. First let me set this image. This is the image that I am going to transfer. Then go to the right side. Here we need to set the destination where we need to paste that image. So I am going to paste in this documents folder. Let me select this documents. Then go to left side. Set the image that we need to transfer. Press and hold OK button on the remote. Mark it. Okay. Then go to right side, go up, here select copy, and here you can see file name, then the destination is documents folder of internal storage. Select OK. Done. See here on the right side you can see that image. Let me open it. Done. This way we can transfer a file from SSD storage to internal storage of Google TV streamer. Next I will show you how we can transfer one file from internal storage of Google TV streamer to SSD storage. On the left side let me select internal shared storage, then select the file that I need to transfer. Let me go to documents. So I am going to transfer this image. Then go to the right side. Here I need to select the destination. Go to no name, that is a SSD storage. Then the destination I am going to select this movies folder. Okay. Then go to the left side, select the image that we need to transfer. Press and hold OK button on the remote. Mark it. Then go to the right side, select copy. Done. So now you can see the file name, then the destination, that is movies. Select OK. Done. So this way we can transfer file from internal storage of Google TV streamer to external storage. Let me open this image. Okay, done. You can try this. Next I will show you how we can safely remove this SSD storage. So first we need to eject. Go to settings, select set all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to storage. Here under this removable storage you can see no name 1 DB SSD storage. This is a Samsung SSD storage that I connected. Select it, select eject. Please wait. Done. Ejected. Now I can safely remove this SSD storage from Google TV streamer. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.